Hello everyone, this is our session number 1 of lesson number 2. In this session we are going to learn about one database application. Name of the database application is a Microsoft Access, okay, and it is an application of Microsoft Office suite. It is used to hold raw data in structured format, okay. So this is called what a database application. So before start this session, let's see what we learned in last session. In last session we learned what the different communication medium, then different types of what a computer network, then how to transfer file in network, how to log into particular computer in computer network. We learned all these points in last session. Now let's see the introduction. In this session we are going to learn what is primary key, super key, then queries in Microsoft Access, and setting up a criteria in Microsoft Access. uh, Microsoft Access, this application is totally new for you people, okay, and we are not going to directly start what is primary key and super key, okay. So before learn what the objects of what a Microsoft Access are of any database, we need to learn about that database, okay. What is database, then what are the different objects of what a database, how to open the database, then different types of database. We are going to learn what these points first, and afterwards I'm going to continue what is primary key, how to set primary key, what is super key, okay, and some other types are there of keys. We are going to continue in next session, okay. So in this session I'm going to continue what I'm going to teach you people what is database first, then different types of database, okay, then different objects, okay, offered by database, then how to open Microsoft Access 2010, that means how to open Microsoft Access database, okay, what are the different parts of Microsoft Access database, how to create database, okay. I'm going to teach what these points in today's session, okay, and in next session we are going to learn what these points. So let's see first what is database. A database is a collection of what raw data, okay, understand, this is structured collection of raw data, means whatever raw data is collected, okay, which is stored in structured form, okay, understand. So this is called what a database, okay. The definition of database is a structured collection of what raw data, it contains raw data, okay, understand. So this is called what a database. Now let's see the different types of what a database. Now there are two types of database, so many different types are there, but we have to learn only two, okay. First one it's DBMS, and second one that is RDBMS, okay. So let's see first what is DBMS. DBMS stands for database management system. It uses what a file to store database, that means it uses what a file to store what a raw data, okay, understand. And examples of DBMS database are, first one that is XML, extensible markup language, and next one that is Foxpo. These are what the examples of DBMS. Then let's see what is next one. The next type of database, that is RDBMS. RDBMS stands for what a relational database management system, relational database management system, and it uses what the tabular structure to store raw data, okay. And what are the examples of RDBMS? Microsoft Access, then SQL, structured query language, then next one Oracle, MySQLite. What these are some examples of what a relational database management system, okay. The purpose of RDBMS and DBMS is same, to hold raw data, but the structure of DBMS and RDBMS to hold the data is different, okay. DBMS, it is used for general purpose, okay, understand. RDBMS is used to hold what the data with the large content, understand. This is about what the DBMS and RDBMS, okay. You can use DBMS, or you can use what a database management system to hold raw data, okay, of for any personal details, okay, or for any academic details, or for any account details, okay, understand. And this application, that means database, this application software is generally used for backend service, okay. That means this application is used to provide what, the backend service to front end applications. That means it will hold the raw data, okay, and whenever front end application will access or will retrieve the data according to what the user's requirement, then front end application will establish a link with this database application software and will retrieve what, the raw data that we stored in a structured manner. This is about what, the database application. Now let's see what is the next point of this session. Our next point of this session is different objects offered by what, a database application. If you are working with any particular database application, then the database application will offer what, objects to you people to manage what, the records or manage data in database. So what these are, we have some objects which are commonly offered by all database applications. So what these are, first one is a table. This is common one, it is used to hold a data in tabular form, okay, and will allow you to store a data in a tabular form. It has what, rows and columns, and will allow you to store in tabular form what, the raw data. So what is table? Table is a collection of what, rows and columns, okay. Then this, after the next one is a report. Report, this is the final copy or what, the final result of what, the records, okay, that you want to print or that you want to display. And this, after the next one, it is a query. Query, it is a script that is used to manage what, the records in database, okay, which are divided in tables, okay. Then this, after the next one, that is forms. Forms are used to display what, the records from the table, or to update the records from the table, and to insert data in table. So what, these are some common objects offered by all database applications, okay. So this is about what, the objects offered by the database application. Now let's see what is the next point. Our next point is how to open Microsoft Access. If you want to open Microsoft Access, then we have to follow what these steps. What these are, first you have to click on a start button, okay. So when you click on the start button, you have to click to all programs, okay. Then go to Microsoft Office. When you click to Microsoft Office, then you have to select what, Microsoft Access database. When you click on it, then will open Microsoft database application window. This is application window for what, a Microsoft Access database. Now let's see the different parts of what, a Microsoft Access application window. This application window made up of different parts. It has a title bar, you can see. It has what, a office button. Then it has what, a templates panel. It has what, a getting started window. Then it has a recent database panel. It has what, the status bar, okay. So what, these are the different parts of what, a Microsoft Access application window. It has what, the help option also. You can get help if you're new, if you're beginner, if you want to learn more about what the Access database are, Microsoft Access database, then you can use what, a help option, okay. Then let's see the different uses of what, the component. Title bar, it is here. It will help you to display what, the name of software with, or name of application with the name of database. Then we have a quick access toolbar, will allow you to take a quick action like to save, okay, undo, redo, or to take a word of printout, okay, or to open any application. Then office button, it will help you to create a new database. When you click on it, it will allow you to create a new database or to open any database or to manage what, other database, okay. Then we have a template category panel, or template panel will allow you to select what, a database with some inbuilt templates, okay. this after the next one, getting started window. It is in between what the template panel and the recent database panel. Okay, and use of this one is to create a blank database, okay, or to create what database with selecting some templates. The next one, that is open recent database. It is used to show what the recently opened database files. Then status bar will show you the status of what the file which you opened or with which you are working. Okay, so it is about what the parts of what the Microsoft Access application window. Now let's see how to create a blank database. To create a blank database, select a blank database option from getting started window. It is here from getting started panel. You have to select a blank database, or you can click to Microsoft Office button, then click to new. Okay, you can choose one of these. Okay, new from Office button, or you can click to blank database. You can choose which one is convenient to you people. Okay, after selecting the blank database, we have to enter here what the name for database. Okay, so let's see what is .accdb. That is extension for what a database file. Okay, that means it is extension for what a Microsoft Access database file. You have to enter here what the name for file, with which name you want to create a database. Now to create a database with a demo name. Okay, just we are going to create what a demo file. Okay, to hold what the raw data. Okay, and what is the extension for a Microsoft Access database file? That is .accdb. .accdb stands for Access database. Okay, then you have to change its location. If you want to continue, if you want to proceed, just you have to click to create. But here we have to change what the location. To change location, you have to click to browse icon. When you click to browse icon, here will open what the dialog box. Okay, you have to choose what the drive where you want to store or where you want to save what this database file. Choose that drive, then click to OK. Now you can see location to save this file has changed, that is D drive. Okay, directly it is saved in D drive. Now it is changed. Okay, you have to confirm. Now you can click to create what a database. Just click to create. Okay, it will create a blank database to you people, and it will allow you to work with its different objects. Okay, I said table, it is what a database object. Okay, it is used to hold the data in tabular form. You can see here some other objects are there. Okay, form, then report, query. So what these are some other objects of what the database. It has one more object, that is macro. Okay, so what these are the different objects offered by what a database application. Okay, so enough for today. I'll continue next point in next session.